Hi everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mumtaz. I was running out of some products, so I thought of restocking it. And yeah, this is a mini Nika haul video. So yeah, without any delay, let's begin. Alright, the first product is nothing but this mascara by Blue Heaven. Talking about this Blue Heaven mascara, मैंने पहले use किया है, तो I do trust this mascara. But this one, छोटू version में है, so I ordered it. Currently, I am using the Maybelline mascara जो मैंने अभी apply नहीं किया हुआ है because I'm going to check this one right now. So yeah, this is the tiny mascara. ओके इट इज अ डिसेंट मस्कारा लाइक इतना ज्यादा ओवर वॉल्यूम भी नहीं दे रहा है आई डोंट नो अभी फिलहाल यूज करके मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा आई कांट जज इट इन वन गो सो आई हैव टू यूज इट कपल ऑफ टाइम्स देन ओनली आई कैन रिव्यू इट प्रॉपर्ली ब्लू हेवन का मस्कारा मैंने पहले यूज किया है बट ये वाला नहीं दूसरा वाला था वन थिंग विच आई कैन श्योर इज दिस इज अ पॉकेट फ्रेंडली सो या दिस इज माई फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम ब्लू हेवन. Alright, the second product is nothing but a sunscreen and this is one of my favorite sunscreen. Currently I am using this sunscreen जो almost खत्म होने वाला है तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना दूसरा मंगवाया जाए so I ordered it and this is by Dr. Shade Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++. I am so sorry for the lighting. यहाँ का लाइटिंग का कुछ भरोसा नहीं है लाइक अभी धूप होती है तो अभी क्लाउडी सो yeah that's the situation. Yeah, I have used it couple of times so I can tell you how this product is basically and it claims that it has no white cast which is absolutely true because मैंने ये काफी बार यूज किया है काफी बार मतलब क्या आई थिंक थर्ड टाइम या फोर्थ टाइम होगा ऑफ कोर्स मैं यूं ही परचेज नहीं करूंगी इट डज सूट माय स्किन और मेरा जो स्किन टाइप है इज नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन बेसिकली कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप है आई थिंक हर स्किन टाइप के लिए ही सही है जितना मुझे लगता है बट डोंट गो अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग पैच टेस्ट जरूर कर लो देन गो फॉर इट और रही बात जो प्राइस है वो भी ठीक ठाक है ज्यादा ओवर भी नहीं है कम भी नहीं है और ऑफर चलती रहती है सो यू कैन गेट इट इन डिसेंट प्राइस अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वालिटी इट इज अमेजिंग और इसका जो कंसिस्टेंसी है दिस इज नॉट दैट वाटरी नॉट दैट thick it is in between which is absolutely perfect skin के साथ अच्छी तरीके से मिल जाता है so this is one of my go-to sunscreen and I think I'm going to purchase it again so yeah this is my second product. Alright, the third product doesn't belong to any makeup or skincare department which is by Purecon all-in-one solution which is a lens solution to clean the lenses. Yeah, I got this mini version of a solution. Indirectly देखा जाए तो this is a part of makeup क्योंकि I do use lenses sometimes to create some looks so clean the lenses. So this solution now मैंने पहले use नहीं किया पहले कोई और brand का use किया था so this is the first time I have ordered this one by Purecon I guess the name over here and yeah this is my third product I guess yeah. Okay, the fourth product is nothing but a moisturizer which is by Bioderma. I was running out of moisturizer and I wanted a moisturizer which is kind of very lightweight और इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सुना था and this moisturizer is for normal to dry and sensitive skin which is amazing. It also has niacinamide plus omega 369. मैंने 200 ml का मंगवाया है. Let me just see how the consistency is. Don't want to waste that much. So this is kind of lightweight जैसा मैंने देखा था सुना था I think वैसा ही है but I can't judge it in one go so I need to apply it for sure at least for a week then later I will review this product. I think this is my fourth product. Alright, the next product belongs to hair care department. It is nothing but a shampoo which is by Plum. पहले मैंने यूज नहीं किया इस प्रोडक्ट को so this is the first time I have purchased this product. इसका जो फुल नाम है Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine Shampoo nourishes and enhances shine. और रही बात इसकी जो क्वालिटी है जैसे कि मैंने बताया है यूज नहीं किया है so I can't see how this product is but one thing which I can assure you right now is its fragrance. Let me just see कैसा है इसका fragrance. Okay, since it is a coconut milk shampoo, it does smells divine. Like if you love the fragrance of coconut, then you will, I think, love it. Now, सिर्फ fragrance की बात ही कर रही हूँ. I don't know about this shampoo at all, so I need to use it, and then of course you will get to know from my POV how this shampoo is in my upcoming videos, of course. Also talking about shampoo, currently I am using the Anomaly shampoo, which is almost finished. So yeah, I was running out of shampoo and I thought of ordering it a new one. तो इस बार मैंने वो वाला shampoo order नहीं किया. I thought of using some other shampoo. So yeah, I ordered this one. So yeah, this is my fifth or fourth product. Alright, last but not the least, the product which I didn't order, ये sample में आया है. So this is for free. This is MAC Studio Fix जो foundation है उसका शेयर दिया गया है. तो इसमें 3 samples है. As you can see, these are 3 samples. मैंने कभी भी MAC का foundation इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, so I have no idea. I think ऊपर में जो दिया गया है, so I think these are the shades NC25, NC30 and C35, and it claims that it is soft matte finish. It also has SPF 15 to protect against harmful UV rays, of course. Controls oil and hydrates skin. और इसमें 87% स्किन केयर इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, ऐसा यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. And yeah, easy to apply, 24-hour medium full buildable coverage. As I told you, I haven't used any product from MAC apart from one product जो mini lipstick आता है. I think that is Ruby Woo lipstick. वही मैंने use किया है. So of course I will be reviewing it. Of course I will apply it and maybe in a short video. So yeah, this is the sample which I got for free. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed this mini Nykaa haul. अगर आपको मेरे point of view से review जानना है, then stick to this channel, which means do subscribe to this channel if you're new here. And yes, see you next time. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.